So the last part of our lesson today, if you have finished collecting your data, which I absolutely expect you to have done, if you've got time left, then I'd like you to go back to page 5 on your Google booklets, and you're looking for the section that looks like this, okay? And I'd like you to write out your methodology for the Environmental Quality Index. All right. So a methodology is where you talk about how you collect data for the chosen method. All right. Think of it as doing it like a recipe. All right. It's got to be a step-by-step guide. So based on what you write in this box here for how you will collect this data, describe exactly what you'll do at each site. Based on what you write for that one, for the EQI in this box here, sorry, this toolbar's in the way, whatever you write there means that somebody else should be able to go out and do exactly what you did. Okay, they should be able to copy your method exactly and come out with very similar answers. The next thing to consider is what could affect the quality of the data collection. So I'm going to give you a big hint here. When you look at something like litter, all right, you will have gone out to do your data collection at a particular time of day. Okay, so you'll be going out just before lunch. So I imagine that the litter isn't too bad. If you were doing that data collection during lunch or straight after lunch, how might that be different? All right. Also think then about what could affect the quality of that data collection. Were you in a rush when you did this? Were you trying to whiz around all 3 sites? Do you think you allowed enough time at each site? And I know that I didn't give you very long, but in an ideal world, would you have spent any longer on that? Okay, so is there anything that might hinder or reduce the value of the data that you collect? And the last question here, why do you think this will help us? All right, why are we doing it? Why did we do an environmental quality index? How will completing an environmental quality index actually help us work out where to put a bench? That's quite a tough question because it's asking us to really evaluate what we've been doing. All right, so I'd like you all to have a go at completing that as well, please. Okay, so hopefully 3 really clear tasks for today's lesson, and I think that you'll do a brilliant job, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Okay, thank you.